Welcome back. Today I will show you how to use the document recognition tool. You already know how to link the RiseDoc app with your document recognition tool, and now I will show you how to use the document recognition tool in general. Okay, so let's go to Purchases and Document Recognition. This tool will allow you to upload documents using the app or straight from the system. If you use the app, your documents will appear here. If you upload it to the system, this is how you do it. You go into Add Files, you add, and you select your file from your disk, wherever the file is. I've downloaded one. There you go. You can select as much or as many files as you wish, and you can recognize. Okay, it will let you know that it's being recognized, and let's just say refresh and wait for our file to be appearing here. All right, so you can see here that it says recognizing. So we will have to wait until we see a document recognition number here. While we wait for it, let me explain to you the attributes here. So this uploaded means that you can filter according to the date that you have uploaded. So if you've done it in other dates, you can have the option here. So for example, I did one yesterday and I can see here the one that I have uploaded. Okay, then we can see here supplier. This will enable you to filter the documents according to the suppliers. So for now, I just have one supplier that I have done. If you have 3, 4, 5, 10, 50, you will have all of them here and you can filter them according to the supplier's name. All right, let's go back to uploaded. And then here you have the add files. This is where we added our document as I showed you. The refresh will just refresh and help you see what is there, what is not there, and so on. Then you have the recognized. So this will show you just the files that you have recognized and that have been processed, as you can see, because both buttons are down. If I untick the processed, I will just see the recognized ones. And at the moment, there's nothing that has been recognized. That other one, if I untick it, I will see the other one appearing if I select June, and I will refresh, and there you have it. Now I have for June, here you have my 3rd of June one, refreshed it, and I've been able to see it. If I delete any, I can just click on delete it and it will appear there. But for now, we will just have the recognized ones, which is the one that we have uploaded together. Okay, let's start recognizing our file. Let's go click on it. And here you can see the invoice. And here are the attributes that we have to link. So for example, let's start by checking the VAT number. So the system is indicating where they got the VAT number from. And there it is. Then the registration number as well, it's indicating where it got the registration number from. And then it automatically selected the supplier. And our supplier in this case is the demo company. Okay, then let's move to the next part that the system has recognized. For example, the number. If I click on it, you can see where the system got the supplier invoices number. There you go at the top. And let's move to the date. There you have it there. And the due date as well. All right, then let's move to the subtotal. Here's my subtotal. There is my VAT. But as you can see, my total is incorrect. So the system recognized 120 instead of 920, which is my subtotal. So, sorry, my grand total. So I can either change this manually, I can do that. Okay, and now I have the correct thing. Or I can link manually. And as you can see, this will appear at the bottom. And I will just click on the amount that is correct. I click there, 920. There you go. The system will tell me now that they will apply 920 to that field, and I will just say link. And that's it. There are a few fields that are not recognizable, maybe because the keywords are not the same, or how can I say it? The space between the word and the amount is big. So then in that case, we will have to just write in manually. Now for the expense account, as you can see, there is no expense account here because I have not shown you yet how we can set default accounts for each supplier. So let me just select one here, for example, let's say, let's call this consulting, no, accounting fees. There you have it, accounting fees. Now everything is ready. I can now generate my supplier invoice. So I will go to generate supplier invoice. And here is my supplier invoice. I can add more things if I want to. Let's not add anything. I will just say post and close. So now here I got a notification and I can see now it says link documents 1. And if I want to open my supplier invoice, I can just click on it. Even if I go to the attached files, I will see that my file has been attached. I can make it bigger and zoom in and so on. Okay. Now, something else that I would like to show you, for example, if we come here and we refreshed, you can see there is nothing that has been recognized. I will click on processed and now my file appears here. So let me just open it again. And I want to show you that if I click get file, okay, I will save my supplier invoice and it saves in my downloads or desktop, anything that I want. Oh, sorry about that. But yes, it will save it for you. I just had the same file as well, so it just gave me a slight error, but for you, it's going to save because you wouldn't have this before. So this tool is great because if, as I said in the previous videos, you have many people working in the same info base and one takes a picture from the WhatsApp and uploads it into the system, and now you want to print out this invoice, you can just click on get file and download it, and you can print it out or save it in your laptop, etc. Okay, now let's move to the next part where I will show you how to set default accounts for each supplier. We click on expense accounts by counterparty and create. So we have our demo company and the account I wanted to always go to accounting fees and save and close. Now the next time I upload a document by the demo company, it will always automatically allocate it to my, my accounting fees. That's all for now. Bye-bye.